In this video, we're going to have a look at an Excel function called COUNTBLANK. We're going to have a look at what it is and how it works in Excel. So first of all, I have a list of data here, and I want to use the COUNTBLANK function to count the number of empty cells, so cells that are blank in a certain range. So I'm going to get Excel to look down this column C and count the number of items that are missing order amounts. That way I can go back and check them. So I need to click where I want the answer to go, and I'm going to click the FX or insert function. And I'm going to look for COUNTBLANK. Now, if I can't see it in a recently used list, I can simply type it in here, COUNTBLANK, and click go. And you can see here it says counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. So it's offering up this option here, which isn't what I want. I want to click here on this particular cell. Now, if I use Control-Shift down arrow, that only takes me down to the next blank line. If I just keep holding down Control-Shift and down arrow, I'll eventually get to the bottom of my list, including the blank cells. You'll notice here it's giving me a sample and telling me that there's 4. I'm going to click OK. So you can see here it's telling me there are 4 missing entries. I could go through, and that may be a great way of troubleshooting if I know that I need every cell in a big list to have an order amount in there. So that's the COUNTBLANK function in Excel.